How to reverse AI art filter on TikTok mobile. If you're wondering if you can reverse AI art filter on TikTok mobile, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So if you open TikTok and go to the search bar at the top and type in AI art filter, so you'll see that there are different videos which have used this AI art filter. And if you're wondering if you can see the original photo, then the only way you can see it is if the creator has uploaded the original photo, such as in this video here. But if this was the only photo that was uploaded, then the answer is no, that feature has not been available and you will not be able to reverse AI art filter of someone else's content unless it's your own content.